The mission of APL Logistics is to realize our four maxims. APLL strives to be the premier order management provider in the world because we are anchored in the notion of neutrality. We are interested in the customer's goals.
As AP Logistics, we really position as a partner that integrates deeply into our customers' organization. We do that by positioning as a neutral player, giving them the right tools to enable our customers to make the best financial decisions for their enterprise.
This is our foundation. We're taking what we have built, this nice order management foundation throughout the years, and we're going to take that and we're going to expand upon that and achieve supply chain greatness.
This is where the core of what we do, the heart of what we do, this is what our customers will know and understand about us, about who we are and who we want to be and how we want to partner with them.
So for us to be the premier order management provider is absolutely a journey we will go on, and I absolutely believe we'll achieve. If we look after our people, if we engage our people, if we develop their capabilities, and on the side we're developing our technology, get that to become best in class, everything starts to come into place. Everyone works and strives to deliver that end game.
Because at the end of the day, we deliver. We are the company that will absolutely not let our customers down. And we have the assets, the experience, and the footprint in places like Asia to deliver on and help solve some very complex and difficult problems.